It almost burnt. Guys, let's start our evening. And first of all, I'm going to start with baking a cake. I want to bake a cake today. I'm craving banana cake, and let's first of all go to the shop and get some eggs as we get a bulb. My kitchen bulb got spoiled, so let's go get a bulb. Our roses with that. But we do have a rose plant. This is what I was going to get: a drinking chocolate, a bulb, and the 2 eggs going for 40 shillings. When did we get here? Anyway, that's why I prefer getting them in wholesale. And wherever I get them in wholesale, around here Mokoyo, we get them for 420 for the 30 eggs. Let's go bake a cake. Boyigai, Mutageri Wenta, Mamukeri, Magogo, Namadoiro, Kayo, Bere, Tutige, Toledo, Wendana, Tokohoya, Wedani Nageteo. Oi, my phone. I forgot about my cake. It almost burnt, but it's okay. It's cooked through. We are going to have it tomorrow for breakfast. It's quite hot. It's still hot right now, but yes, this is what I'll be having tomorrow for breakfast. And I'll tell you how it tastes probably on the next video, because I want to edit this one and upload it to go up tomorrow at 10 a.m. I'm hoping I'll go back to posting daily at 10 a.m. and on Tuesday at 7 p.m. Eastern African time, sorry, EAT. I'll see you tomorrow or on the next video. Yes. Thank you very much for supporting me, for loving me, for your good comments, for your comments in general. Thank you very much.